Did you know GeoTrax had remote control trains before most kids even had RC toys? This is day two of my 100 Days series bringing back GeoTrax, a forgotten toy system. GeoTrax by Fisher Price wasn't just a train set. Some sets came with a remote that let you control the train's movement, speed, and direction. At the time, most toys didn't have this kind of control. So instead of just watching a train go in circles, you could actually interact with it and control what happened. It made the whole system feel more alive and more like a real world you were controlling. This is day two of 100 GeoTrax facts. That's a lot more people forgot.